Alright, so I don't know if you were able to hear that, but now that the car's off, yeah, it sounds pretty bad. So I didn't find my freeze off, but I did find my brake cleaner. Just gonna spray right there. There you have it. Good as new again. But I'm not just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna add grease right there, so it could be nice. And now do that again. As you can see, the noise is gone. So you don't want to have a door that sounds squeaky, funky, funny. Just go ahead and do that. Once you get the grease, just go ahead and add it. Alright, so I'm gonna add grease right there. Alright, so there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to share it. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.